Welcome to my channel, my YouTube family. Frederick Ubiri is my name. Today we shall be talking about five side also that no one talk about in 2023. So guys, this concept is all about business that people are supposed to be engaged on in this new year 2023. Because business is a serious business, and business is not meant for low-hearted people. Business is meant for people who are supposed to be taking action whenever they conceive an idea in their mind. They are supposed to come out with an idea, and of which the idea, they will bring it out, digest it, conceive it, and take action. That is what business is all about. So if you know that you are not somebody that is ready to take action, that means business is not meant for you. Instead, business is, you are supposed to be the working class set of people, because that is how God creates human beings. Some are supposed to be entrepreneurs, business owners, while some are supposed to be workers. So if you did not fall into the category of people that are supposed to own business, that means this video is not meant for you. But if you know you are asked to take action when it comes to business, that means this 5 points I'm about releasing to you now is meant for people like you. So guys, journey with me as I explain to you so five key points that I've jotted down on this my YouTube notes, because anything that has to do with YouTube, this is the book that I normally jot my point. So guys, follow me as I talk about this 5 points. Number one on the list is dog washing services. Dog washing services. This one has to do with a situation whereby after you have that is after all these people that carry waste bin maybe have come to visit you or visit somebody, you know,
that waste never occurs.
Dirty here and there inside the people's all those are big rubber. So this kind of business make people to make a lot of money. That means there are people who will specialize in carrying the waste, while some people, their duty is to wash all those rubber that they normally put on this bin. So guys, like in US for instance, this dog business is a very lucrative business that people are cashing out in US. They make a lot of dollars using this approach. So after they have carried your waste bin, some people, that is if you are person who is proactive, you can negotiate with the owners of the rubber, those are plastic and all those things where they normally keep all this bin, and before you know it, you are in business. And by the time you do from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 person, they will now be referring you that this person is the person that normally wash our waste bin whenever we have finished whenever they have finished removing the dirty and all those things. So number 2, and moreover, for you to advertise yourself, you can decide to put it on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even put a signpost by your door post that come, this is what I deal on. So by so doing, referral will be coming to you. So guys, that is that on the dog washing services. Then catering services, number 2 on the list. This one has to do with catering services. Guys, catering services is a big business. You know, on a daily basis, everybody eats. They eat food on daily basis. So if you know what is good for you as somebody who does not have a business, or somebody who maybe you are doing your 8 to 5 job and the business is not paying you, your work is not paying you all that, you can maybe in the evening after closing from your work, you can decide to come up and say, okay, let me open a catering service along your, maybe in your veranda in the evening. Before you know it, people will be patronizing you, And it must not necessarily be all this kind of business, all this kind of multi-million-dollar business or multi-million naira business. It can be just small thing, maybe what's it called? Maybe cook tiger nuts, maybe fry kpekere or yam, like what all those Hausa people used to do. Or even anything, very small thing. You can be frying akara. You can be frying maybe beans. These beans they normally put in this thing, in a cellophane. They put beans. That is, they bake it and put beans inside. They call it beans pie. All those things, or cook normal food that people can come to patronize you. These are things that people do that make them to earn some income outside their normal day job. So if you do all this kind of business, before you know it, money will be entering your pockets, like little things that you do. Before you know it, money will be coming to your system, and before you know it, you'll be cashing out. So guys, that is that on this thing. Then even the food we are talking about, you can decide to maybe put it in maybe the food can be in form of maybe like zobo, tiger nuts, all those kind of small little food. Before you know it, you'll be making money within your premises. Then we talk about processed food. And what is processed food? Foods that have been cooked. They put it in a can and ship it to maybe all those supermarkets. They will buy them, you sell. Before you know it, money is coming. Then outside this thing, you can package it in a container like plantain chip. As you have plantain chip, you have a popcorn, shishi, etc. with little or no resources. So before you know it, you're already cashing out and business is already going on. Before you know it, you can decide to put it in your Facebook, even your status in your WhatsApp, that this is what I deal on now. You know, as a normal human being, there are a lot of business out there, and there are a lot of way of advertising business. Like for instance, maybe after you sell, you snap the video, you snap what all those things that you are selling, snap them and put them on your status on a daily basis. You see that 1 or 2 persons will be interested in what you are doing. Then you can even be telling your friends, your neighborhood friends, family, and all those ones that, please, this is what I'm selling. No? Before you know it, people will be coming to you by way of a referral. So I think that is that on food processing. Then we talk about painting of that is create paint image. This one is not too popular in Nigeria, but for those of us that are doing YouTube, this one is very, very vital and important to us. Most of our video that we do what is called thumbnail. And when you do thumbnail, how do you get your image, create your image? Is maybe you can use a Canva, you can use a Spotify, a lot of software that are there that you can use to do that you can use to design images to suit your purpose. And if you are confused about a particular image that you want to paint, you may not necessarily start and be designing image up and down. All you need to do is search through your Canva or through your Spotify, and before you know it, you have designed it to your taste, and you can place a little tag on it, so amount of money. Before you know it, people who search through Canva or Spotify, and they receive other particular software that they normally use, before you know it, 1 or 2 persons may be interested in what you have designed online. The money may be a little bit small, but by the time maybe many people show interest in what you are doing, before you know it, you'll be cashing out with a lot of money. So that is that on the creating of a paint image. Then number 5 on the list is called affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is like playing a middleman role. And how do you play the middleman role? Is by using an online tools to drag traffic to another person's website using the code.
These are examples of some of my favorite affiliate marketing sites. They all get tons of traffic, and I'm guessing they all generate millions of dollars in revenue.
So maybe you can decide to start an affiliate marketing by using a particular code that has been sent to you by your relationship with Amazon, what's it called? Alibaba, even our popular Jumia here and Konga that we have in Nigeria here, and a lot of others. This even in Warri here we have what is this thing that they do in PTI Warri market. Those are some of the tools that they use in doing affiliate marketing. By the time you drag traffic into people portal, and maybe during the process they buy through you will be earning commission. And this thing is popular in the US, in fact in the Western world. That is what people normally use these days to do business. People hardly find it difficult to go to the store to go and be buying this thing. You do a click and they receive the goods in their home. So guys, that is that on 5 side hustle that no one is talking about in 2023. So guys, I enjoy you to watch this video, to watch other of my videos that I have. That's so many. I think I have about 136 videos or 135 videos on my YouTube page. And if you have any message that you want to message me, you can reach me on Frederick2000 at gmail.com. You can even reach me through this YouTube comment. You can place a comment and maybe I will respond. Then from there we can hit it up from there. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I believe by the time you implement this video, you will have something to say that you have benefited. So thank you guys. If you like this video, give my videos a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment below so that I can place more of these videos for you guys to see, because we have to do a lot of research. And like as I said in one of my videos, I said my videos are being monetized. So I enjoy you to share this video to other people so that we can do more, go into research, and more videos will be coming out for you people. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.